Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the Google account you want to use. This ensures ownership and permissions are correct. Once signed in, open Drive. Google.com or the Drive app and locate the file or folder you'll share. If the file isn't uploaded yet, drag it into Drive or use New File Upload. Uploading preserves original names and metadata. Make sure you choose the correct folder path because sharing a parent folder can expose multiple items at once. Next, you open the Share dialog by right-clicking the item or using the Share button. This is where control lives. Click Change to update link access to anyone with the link, then pick Viewer, Commenter, or Editor based on how much control you want to give. Editors can change content and sharing. Once done, consider advanced options like disabling downloads or setting expiration for temporary access, so you limit long-term exposure and maintain control over the content. Finally, click Copy Link and paste it where your recipients will access it. You're done once they can open the file. Make sure to test the link in an incognito window or another Google account so you verify permissions exactly as outsiders will see them. If someone reports they can't access it, recheck whether the parent folder inherits stricter sharing, confirm you didn't restrict domain-only sharing, and adjust role settings. Resolving those common mismatches fixes most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.